Hello guys, ito yung tinatawag dito na mashi sa Middle East stuff, sa Middle Eastern. Ito yung aming tinatawag dito na kadrawat mashi bel lehem. So meaning merong laham or meat dyan sa loob guys ng fillings at saka rice at hinaluan ng parsley at onions. So, ito yan ang mga vegetables tulad ng potatoes, ayan, kusa or zucchini, tapos yan green bell pepper, tapos yan ang eggplant. Ito yung nilalagay niya guys is grenadine molasses. So, yan ang kanyang sauce. At ito naman yung pa-vibes niya na mga vegetable salad at saka fruits and leban. So, ito yung tea for every after meal. So, yan na guys, yung ating preparation for today for plating and ready to serve now. So, thanks for watching guys.